3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Fist of Justice says, fuck your shields.
Oh, we're gonna get a bomb bag right there.
Nope, it's good.
Ah, we're good.
Expellos.
Nice, 12.
That was really good.
Oh, shit. It's the worst shield ever.
Great for Bella.
Bellows and 8. Get ready, get ready, get ready.
Coming down. It came up.
Did I hit you with that?
No, my stupid ass bubble's not going on.
Okay, I was just hoping I didn't blow you up.
Right, like if you can give him stats.
I got my own stats.
Okay. $22. Oh, wow.
You got Vidge, Relic.
Transitioning soon for us, 3 for you guys. 2 more. 1 for you. 2 more for us. Transition.
Get over here, guys. Let's get some big AoE on this. Really good transition.
Nice stun on that one. Nice capacitor. Stun him again. Watch out for bomb bags.
Okay, it's like marked.
Group them up, group them up.
It's popped.
It's on blue.
Jotun.
Yeah. Range can switch to it, we can clear out the rest.
What?
It's on you.
Jotun's on you.
30%, get ready. Get ready.
Get ready, get ready. Switch to it, switch.
Now.
Now. Good.
That's
Care
close.
first bar. Yeah, close-ish.
This is the closest one we've seen in a while, besides missing it.
Mm-hmm.
We haven't seen one in a while.
Fucking nuke. What an asshole. He's like, we're so bad, guys. Look how trash we are.
Anyways, concentrate, concentrate, concentrate. Who's on who got triangle?
It's on Jen, she's going.
Oh shit.
Oh,
it's
no.
almost
She's
dead,
there,
it's
we need
almost
to
dead,
interrupt.
it's
Yeah,
almost
yeah,
dead.
yeah, yeah. Just
She just
hold
need
off,
to
hold off, hold off, hold off, hold off, hold
Melee,
off, hold
stay
off.
on Feldspar. Melee, stay on Feldspar.
Everyone should be on Feldspar, to be completely honest.
Yeah. If this pops...
Well, Melee should be on Firecallers, too.
Yeah.
It's gonna
If
pop.
this
gonna break,
pops,
it's gonna
Firecaller-
break.
Yeah, Firecaller team stay on
It's breaking,
Feldspar.
it's breaking. Get on
Go, go, go.
Primal.
Take a deep
Just
breath.
get in position.
Ray
It's honestly
colors, take
fine.
a deep breath.
Yeah.
Hey, so if
Just
you
get in
pop
position.
a rallying, pop a rallying.
Juice, you need to get in here.
Just, yeah. Good.
Can someone interrupt the elemental?
It's interrupted.
Just
blue,
clear the
guys, on blue,
sets.
on blue,
Yeah,
on
everyone
blue,
clear.
some juice.
Clear blue. It's almost dead. Get ready.
Get ready. Move.
Juices
3,
will be you.
2, 1. Pop it. Pop it. Clear this now.
We're all gonna
Ju-
clean up ads after this dies.
Juice. Juice, next one is you.
Good. Clean
Good
up
job.
ads.
Move over to red. Let's clean up ads.
Stun these RF once they get together if you can. Oh my god, fucking shield. Clear these ads. Clear these ads.
Okay, I'm taking it over. Blue's next.
Yeah. Yeah, blue's that's Destro.
Interrupted it.
Kill blue.
Get on it. Get on it.
Yep.
Green's almost
You
dead.
want me
It's
to deal
on
on this
Jen.
one?
Green's
Okay.
almost dead and it's on Jen.
Yeah.
Get ready. Get green first. Get green first. Out for me. I'm
Sure.
volatile.
Emmy, I'm drinking, I can't move.
It's in a shield, by the way.
Yeah,
Fire
yeah.
colors.
No, no, kill green. Kill green. Kill green.
Fire collar team's taking on fire
Ready.
collars. Don't worry about this prime.
All right, get ready to switch.
So it's opening.
It's open now. Save our 3 minutes and nuke your cooldown for the last one.
Yep.
Good, 50%.
I have it in position. Just don't interrupt
Yep,
it.
kill blue, kill blue.
It's almost
When
dead.
When we're done on fire collars, us three, we should go on the security guards. Help
3,
these tanks
2,
up.
1,
It's
pop
going.
it.
Go, go, go. Okay, get ready for hero this time. Do we have both our feral CDs up?
Yeah.
Okay.
If Raya was already doing it, so and Nuke,
Yeah.
you're going with him.
Yep.
I'm ready.
Alright,
This one, guys, this one.
just clean up these fire collars first and then we're good
Get
precision.
me up. Get me up.
Gimme. Last
Feel
one.
like
Alright,
way
range
out
on.
of range.
After res.
I already have green on it.
Yeah, green, kill green.
We gonna res?
Good. Okay guys, get ready for hero. It's gonna be in a couple seconds. Get in position.
Hey, is that 10%?
It's about to pop, it's about
It's
to pop,
popping,
it's about to pop.
popping,
3,
popping.
2, 1, kill it.
Volatile fires, make sure your position's good.
I'm gonna roar once we kill this. Roaring,
Clean up,
Big
clean up,
AoE, big
Clear
AoE.
it.
Clean it up,
Clear
clean
this-
up all this shit.
especially fire collars. Fire collars are down. Cleave everything else.
Second pod.
Guardian's
keeping the
fair.
boss right here.
Rallying's up, rallying's.
Get ready
Am
to
I
see
taking?
your
Am I taunting
tanks.
at 3 rally?
Taunt at
At-
3, yes.
At 3 tempered. Yeah.
Rally, call for CD.
Call for amp. I'll be looking for chances to use
I'll
it.
side.
Take it now. Take it now. Take it now.
Melee, if you have fixate, be like opposite side. Don't be clumped.
Juice, this one's you.
Just spread apart. We have so much room.
Move
Start
forward
moving
a
up a
bit.
little bit.
Amp's up.
Melee
Move the boss a little bit.
Move. Corner. Probably position
Yo,
yourself on
rallying. Use a rallying, please.
If you have blast, if you're fixated, get away from
Move
it.
a lot more, actually.
Use personals and tonics when you need.
Get probably toward somewhere between purple and moon.
Vigilance, Matt, please.
Move a little bit. Bad melt, move.
Okay, middle. Guys, we can't put bad
On it.
melts. Get tighter.
Second pots if you haven't.
Keep it clean. We got lots of time, guys. Keep it
Get
clean.
probably go towards orange
Just
side.
watch your melts, watch your melts. Save the res.
Okay.
Zealous Vigil or Zealous sack me, please. If you can.
Honestly, you should use the res.
What about if a tank goes down?
Aura.
Alright.
Yeah, we have room here. I think. Yeah, looks like we're good.
Cayman sack, please.
I still have amp.
I have one more stack.
Use amp.
What's up?
Move to the corner.
Just to the 100 heat, just to the 100.
D him.
Yeah, right here.
So if when you get rallying, just pop it.
I'm down.
Alright.
I'm down. I'm down. I'm down.
Get relic
Press
up.
him.
Got him. Move to this quite a bit. A little bit more. Probably where the crucible is. There it is. 3 minutes should be back up for us.
Yep, and it's executes. Let's get it down.
Defensive,
Still pay
defensive,
attention.
defensive.
Tonic.
My rallying is at 20.
Any more cooldowns? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Fuck yes!
Fuck this boss.
Fuck
Fucking
yeah, that was really
yes.
good. Look at that. Look at our fucking raid. Everyone up except for the baddie. Jared, of course.
Matt, how can you be so mean?
Oh, I don't know. I just have to. I'm just kidding, Jared. I love you. Sorry, I'm gonna have to redo rolls. I wanted to coin there real quick. Alright. We're gonna go up and
Good job, guys.
talk about loot.